After painting all the wood pieces, we'll perform the final assembly. Put the pieces all back together as you did with the dry fit. Once assembled, the seams between the pieces can be caulked. This step is optional, but it helps keep water from sitting between the pieces and rotting them. Plus, it neatens up the appearance of the seams. Note that the bottom edge should be kept uncaulked, as this will allow moisture to escape if any gets in there. Using a wetted finger, smooth the caulk and press it into the seam. You can also caulk the horizontal seam between the brace and the rafter. Don't worry about touching up the paint yet, as we'll cover this after mounting the brackets on the wall. In the next video, we'll cover mounting the brackets on the wall.